Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to Virtual Lab Infra. My name is Uttam and I have come up with new playlist called Proxmox. Do you know what is Proxmox? Proxmox is an open source virtualization platform that lets you run and manage multiple virtual machines and containers on a single physical server. The main product is Proxmox Virtual Environment, also called PVE. What exactly Proxmox does? Think of it as software that turns on computer into many computers. So virtual machines basically run full operating systems like Windows, Ubuntu, Divine, or FreeBSD. Containers, they are the lightweight, isolated environments that shares the host's Linux kernel. Then web-based management. So manage everything through a browser. A storage management supports local disk like ZFS, NFS, CEPH, and more. Clustering, combining multiple servers into a single management platform. Also, you can enable high availability, which automatically restart workloads on another node if a server fails. So, common uses, people use Proxmox for home labs, self-hosting service like Plex, home, uh, maybe automation purpose, kind of a small businesses. So, how to compare it alternatively with like VMware or any other uh, Citrix, or maybe Microsoft hypervisor. So in the simple term, Proxmox is a free. There is no need of paying any subscription. It is a open source and good for home labs and self-hosting application or services. Similarly, VMware Sphere, which is a commercial actually, it is for large environment. And for Microsoft Hypervisor V, it includes some Windows editions. So this is not a operation open source, and it's a Windows centric environment. So why it is actually famous? It's famous because it's a free and open source, easy web interface, supports both VMs and containers. So runs well on the modest hardware. A single Proxmox server could host an Ubuntu VM running web server, a Windows virtual remote desktop access, a home assistant VMs, several Linux containers of Docker's applications. So all you can manage from one dashboard, just clicking on the features and options. So let me tell you. So I'm very excited to announce, as this is a brand new playlist dedicated to Proxmox virtual environment. In this series, we will build a complete Proxmox lab from scratch using two hosts and explore everything from installation and networking to clustering, storage, virtual machines, containers, backup, high availability, and much more. So whether you are beginner, a system administrator, or someone looking to move from VMware to Proxmox, this series will guide you step by step with practical demonstration. So make sure to subscribe and enable notification so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's start our Proxmox journey together. So let me show you the small overview that how I have configured and what are those and how we can access them. So on my VMware workstation, if you see, I have a domain controller WinDC01, which is responsible for DSCP, DNS, as well as authentication, which is domain controller. So as you can see, this is responsible for DSCP. So my VMs are getting IP from this server itself. If you go to address pool, address leash, let me delete the unwanted things. this is also responsible for my DNS services. And we have created OU called India and few OUs like security groups and member servers. And under offices, I have created admin users OU where I have created VMware admin and Proxmox admin. These are the location wise I have created users and workstations. So let me quickly show you. This is my Proxmox node 1, or you can say the host 1, and this is my second host. The IP addresses are 1.20 and 192.168, 1.20 and 1.30. So I'm going to quickly show you. So what I have done, I have configured the same IP range on my laptop. As you can see, 1.6. I'm using the same gateway and same DC server IP as that is also responsible for DNS server. So let me quickly re-access this resources. So you can see if I access this IP address, let me log out and show you once again. So when you access this IP address, it will ask you to use your root username and password. And it's giving a warning for your subscription. As we don't have any subscription, you can ignore this, click on OK. So this is the data center. So PV02, I have joined PV02 and PV, so it is showing as data center name. So PV is not nothing but a Proxmox virtual environment. Similarly, we have another host called PVE02. So I have joined them. If you go to data center and then cluster, I have joined them. You can see the IP address, and it was joined with root account. So I can see both of them. So whether you access this 1.20 or the another one 1.30, you will be able to see everything replicating to each other. So this is very useful actually. When you join them, you will be able to manage everything from single console. So I have created few virtual machines, and you can go to console and you can see them. So this is my Linux for CentOS Linux VM, and this is my Windows Server VM. You can click on this arrow and you can click on Control Alt Delete button to log in. See, as I said, I have created a separate account for Proxmox management. So I'll be managing with this account only. So guys, this is not this is just the introduction and overview of this Proxmox training series. So I'll be showing you from a scratch how to install it, how to configure it, how you will download, how to create a virtual machines, how you'll enable high availability and everything. You can also maximize, click on this icon, this option. So there are a lot more things to be we will explore on upcoming videos. So stay tuned guys, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. Share with your friends and turn on the notifications so that you will not miss any of the upcoming videos. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.